that brake dust, the dirt. Yeah, look at this.
So the whole time the exhaust was coming out back, not the middle?
Nah, I had it down the bottom, had the exhaust cut out.
It sounded like it was like right under me.
Yeah, but I took them off and then I went straight pipe. Took the mufflers back off. That thing shooting flames, boy. Yeah. Hell yeah. Wanna take that bitch up the block one time? Hit it back street right here. See, I'm gonna go ahead and let him drive the thing. You know what I'm saying? He's been fucking with me for a while. It's only right. Yeah, he good. Just move all that out the way. Yeah, cup holder. That's my damn. It's like my dresser. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna move your seat, bro.
Yeah, you good. And then right here, this little rug. Pull that shit down. That way it ain't on your on the pedal or anything.
Door light as fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, this shit power too?
Yeah.
Damn.
You see how much lower the passenger seats sit?
2SS.
Yeah. Fully loaded. Tell them. Know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Pedals. Right.
You can move the steering wheel too if you want to.
Where does it at?
On the side.
Gotcha.
You can pull it in or out. I think so. Yeah.
It's like.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good right now.
Alright, let's ride.
What you thinking?
Come out whenever we leave out here, go right.
By Simsbury?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Hit that back road down there.
It's been on there.
You already know.
Man, you got that shit set up to be careful the whole time. It's crazy.
And if you hit
I
it
installed
off,
my shit, but I ain't want to take down the headliner.
see, it's a trick. You can run it straight through the side. Big ass.
I don't know how niggas be driving, bro. In the parking lot of that.
Yeah. Cutting through this little ass parking lot.
I already know Tony the man for tunes. Whenever I get my junk on E, definitely going down there.
I think your shit'll get a nice gain on E for real. I wish I had some in here. You can feel well. Actually, I don't even want to say
I'm
that.
telling you, man. People
can
say
ride
like that
again.
junk ain't worth it, but I'm telling you,
Know
bro.
what I'm saying?
E is worth it.
Yeah. Cause you can we can ride again when I fill it up on E, and you can feel the difference, bro. Like,
Auto response?
cool and shit. Yeah.
I know. Definitely that top end and being able to go back to back, like back to back. That shit burn cooler.
And it got out the way for you.
Didn't spin at all, man. And you got traction off.
Yeah, and traction off. But you in regular drive?
Yeah. Not familiar how your pedals are set up. I'm used to the Dodges.
Yeah, mine's on the back of the steering wheel. I gotta, here we go. Now you sport.
Oh, so it won't do it in, okay.
Yeah, it won't do it in drive.
Gotcha.
You gotta move to sport. A lot of times I be racing, like digs, I don't even get out of third.
Gotcha.
I don't even get out of third gear.
So you familiar with this shit over here?
Yeah, I know. All right, you gonna go, you can bust a U-turn or we can go, we'll go this way. Just turn left.
All right.
We kind of by my house a little bit.
Get some a little 20.
Yeah. don't even let too many people drive my shit, but he driving. You know what I'm saying? You get them keys, you better drive it. You better drive it.
Oh, the Camaro's probably like, what the hell?
Yeah, like what that's for?
Alright, so what the fuck is it?
And then you can turn right.
Shit almost got 140,000 miles on it, still here.
I'm saying that's why when you send me them cars, I be like, bro, that's like
It's
still
push rod,
good.
Push rod motors last forever.
That's still good.
My shit.
And I
like,
put these on here driving back and forth to Virginia for real. So really, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, highway miles. So yeah, ain't shit.
It's gonna be a railroad track over here.
It ain't too loud either though. Like ain't
Like
no,
cabin,
ain't no
in the
drone.
cabin, yeah.
I know it's a motherfucker for the people outside. Like you want to race somebody with your windows down.
Yeah. See my trunk, it got Dynomat all around it. Like the person I bought it from, they had it all set up, like had subs and shit in it. So all I had to do was really wire it up, and then that's it. I changed my rear speakers out because one of them was blown. Then you gonna make let's see, make it left or right, either or.
Shit, it's Beaver. Make it right.
Yeah, and that's gonna take you back by where we was just at.
Visibility ain't that bad though.
Yeah, it got its spots, but
then again, we got this.
yeah,
we got that. Like,
that junk's so handy, bro. It's so handy.
Oh, you took that thing off?
Yeah.
Got you.
Yeah. But if you turn this off, it just turned right into a mirror. So that's just sweet too.
What's a good gear for 40?
For 40, I do a third. Yes, sir. That bitch shifted too quick, huh? Use it second. Got railroad tracks coming up.
Gotcha. Alright, I know exactly where we're at now.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Like you said, shit, a circle. That's why I was like, I know I'm at.
Yeah.
I was on the outskirts of my circle.
See, I know about landmarks though. Like that's what helped me.
Yeah.
Like, once I see like a landmark, like a store or something.
Yeah.
Like hell yeah. Like earlier. I ain't gonna say that. That's too much information. They know what's out time. You know, like
Yeah.
had to catch myself.
That car won't
Seats ain't bad either though. Like for the money, I'm looking at getting them Brom seats.
Yeah.
That diamond stitching on them.
I was about to buy some damn Brom seats off Facebook Marketplace. And then somebody in town with a Mustang, I was like, I follow you, right? I seen them seats on Facebook Marketplace, I'm tripping.
Yeah.
And then I was like, yep, I bought them. I was like, damn. I was like, you got a good ass deal. I was like, yep, couldn't miss it. I missed this shit.
Junkyard right there. Okay. Yep, I know exactly what we got.
We'll make it right, I think. Yeah.
We make it right here would be on blank.
Yeah.
If we keep straight, we'll be able to.
Yeah.
What we need is, man, we need somebody with like a tire shop, bro.
I know.
We need somebody. Who's the people
Bruh.
that had the pit?
That's dash out focus. It's dash out focus.
Okay, it definitely hit different versus like being in manual.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
I see why you
still
say
there,
sport
but
mode. I see, I see why you say it.
it's still there. It's just different. I feel like it take longer to get there. But yeah, that was dash out people. That shit was fun though. That little tire shop back there, that Davis tires, bro.
I
That's
seen you made like a different little page.
yeah. I think this shit got hacked or some shit. That tire shop tried to charge me $100 a piece
The tires?
to mount my tires I already had.
Nah.
I said, what?
What?
Yeah, you got
They doing the alignment or just the mount?
just the mount.
Oh, they tripping.
I was like, boy, I wasn't born yesterday. Had me fucked up, had me pissed off.
Oh, we definitely need gas.
We do already?
Yeah. I mean,
I get some.
You know your car better than I do, but it ain't on E, but
I wait till that gas light cut on and then I still got, you know what I'm saying?
You better than me though.
Yeah. I don't be filling it all the way up because I don't know when I'm gonna go on E.
It's got a little bit of E in here.
Yeah, it got a little bit. Yeah.
E85 just hit hard, man. It's basically 100 octane.
Yeah.
100, like 100, 105.
Compared to 93 at least, shit.
This good with 275s on there.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Wait till you get your little
dig. My shit be
little drag, like a little drag set up.
Like you felt 20s. You felt it when these 20s. You felt it when I was driving that shit from a dig. Yeah. Like it's spinning, but I be standing that shit. Hold on. See, it got a little kick.
Brakes good too. Yeah. Definitely.
And these pads need to be changed. So what you think about the Camaro?
Shit solid. Way better than I thought it was gonna be. The visibility way better than I thought it was gonna be actually.
Yeah.
But mainly this camera. Yeah. This camera was really saving you. Shit nice though.
Think about it with the louvers on too, you know what I'm saying? Had that thing, can't see nothing.
This shit balanced. Yeah. Like I'm taking these turns and all this, it don't feel like no corner is missing anything. Okay. And like you said earlier, even when it spin, it ain't getting tail happy like it ain't stepping out.
Yeah.
It's like you stay in that shit.
I'm saying, you're a driver, you can hold, you know what I'm saying, stay in it.
Yeah.
Hit that gear, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna kick one more again, and then it's gonna straighten up. That first gear is shit. First gear is nasty.
I feel like you're shifting at like 65.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it's close to 7. It's up there. It's up there.
That's why I'm trying to get my cam. Get mine shifting at 7.
See, if I go cam, I want to do the whole thing. I don't want to just cam. I want the converter, all that shit done.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
First go around.
I need a new timing chain, all that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a heads cam build and a spray. I know somebody in St. Augustine for the NOS system. I just need somebody to do a transmission here. That's it. But because it's a front wheel drive transmission, nobody really fucking with it.
Yeah.
Like even the Honda guys, most Honda guys, it's hard for them to find transmissions. Appreciate it, man. That junk's solid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A year coming.
Say a year.
Yeah.
About a year.
Damn near 2.
Yeah.
Because when I very first came across you, like actually seeing this junk in person, you was it was straight up red. This is before the camo red too. It was red.
People keep trying to get me to go back red. I'm like, I already did that. I'm trying to do something different. I got something.
You gonna notice, bro. As soon as you do something, everybody else gonna copy you.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I got something.
And then once you see somebody else do it, it's like, I gotta switch my shit up now.
Yeah. Like I done seen about 3-4 people with this same damn color.
I know.
I made this shit myself, so.
And these are GM, well, I'm putting over here in the same spot. And these are GM wheels too, so they ain't like that. It's that hard for them to try to like, repeat the entire package.
Yeah. Yeah, man, that's it. I'm saying, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. You know what I'm saying? You want to shout it out one time? Anything?
Venom Black 99 on all platforms.
Yes, sir. Go check him out.
Solid.
Yes, sir. That's it.